Perfect fit replacements. These replacement filters made by K&J will perfectly fit any Petmate Replendish or Mason pet waterer, or your money back. Improves water quality. Removing impurities, chlorine, and odors with activated charcoal filters creates the best tasting and safest water and encourages your pet to drink more water, which is good for their overall health. MICROMESH material. Ensures the charcoal stays in the filter and does not clog up your Petmate Replendish or Petmate Mason pet fountain. K&J is the highest quality of any filter currently sold. Eco-friendly packaging. We ship your Replendish water filter replacements not in a bulky box, but with minimal packaging. Ultra-fine grain charcoal. Finer charcoal granules increase the surface area exposure to water and maximize the effective filtration. K&J makes the most effective Petmate Replendish and Mason water filter replacement on the market. Top reviews from the United States. As described, fast delivery. A very good price and fast delivery. I had been using Petmate replacements, too expensive. These are the right size for my 4-gallon Petmate water dispenser. I have a water tester that tests for ppm, parts per million, but doesn't break down the ppm into what the particles are, i.e., iron, sodium, calcium, etc. Our municipal water is a fairly constant 216 ppm. The Petmate filters were about 135 ppm, would replace at around 175 ppm, usually changed at 2 months. I am on my first K&J filter and it read 128 ppm. So far, so good.